February 13, 2026. We decided to trade paper. We broke our rules yesterday again. We went against the downtrend that we saw yesterday for about an hour. It was just not a good place for me to be. So now we have a short here. You can see 590 is our take profit. 614 is our stop loss. Now I want to see where everything takes us. Everything is still okay. Bitcoin is surprisingly holding well, but we're still weak. I don't expect us to do much except go just slightly fade. I have a new short, guys, Crocs. Consumer goods just doesn't seem like the hot stock right now. Of course, I'm open to being wrong, and I'm very much am wrong a lot of the time. So we will see where that takes us. Oh, beautiful. Looks like a VWAP short. Let's see. Let's queue it up. What's my take profit? Is there an hourly level I should target? 130 maybe. We have 128. Let's just get slightly over 1 hour. Slightly over 1 hour. looking good. Ooh, still lost it. Let's see. Oops. Yeah, did not reclaim it, so we're still in a selling environment. This is gonna go down. Is it really gonna bounce at 590? Come on, flush! Perfect. 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 Wait for 3. BE. Something happening to Bloom Energy. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, I see. I see. And that's the stop loss, no? Yep. Okay, we have the second trade here. So SanDisk with the 9 EMA reclaim. Perfect. number 3. Okay, let's see where this is going to take us. Yeah, this is down the dumpster. Yeah, we are looking. I am looking for a gap about 86. 86. I'll just take a break there. Multi-swing hold. Just want this to get over high of day. Oh yeah, this was what I was looking for yesterday, but I'm grateful that some of my senses pulled along and just took me out of it. I really wanted to go long all of these times, but thank goodness we didn't do that. That would have been a bad time. I basically would have had a truly blown account of my very own hard-earned money, which is not cool. 614. Let's see if we can get there. That is this all the way up here. Now it has to really reclaim VWAP. Has to do a lot of things right. If it closes below the 90 EMA, trade is also done for a manual exit, so I'm going to be sticking around for that. But the let's see. If you close under, I have to get out. It's just part of the rules. Okay, I'll get out. Typically those work, but because it closed very sharply and against me, don't want anything to do with it. Don't want anything to do with it. Okay, good. So we tested out some new ideas. We wanted to see if it was a momentum type of day, and then we traded back to the upside for a 9 EMA reclaim, but it did not happen that way, which is okay with me. Divide, subtract. Okay guys, I'm done for the day. This is a nice fake out for me by SNDK. Typically it would have went back up to high of day. We didn't get that. Ooh, that's not good. Oh wow, that is very interesting. See what Crocs is doing. Got a short going on here. Crocs is just like Nike or Dick's Sporting Goods. The feel is like that, right? What is going on here? A lot of nothingness is what's going on. My DKS. I really just can't read these ones. I haven't been following it though, so yeah. Reason why I can't is because nothing is happening. You see this nice rectangle right here. Once it comes up to highs, you fade it. Nice inside day right here. Let's fill the gap. It's a nice gap fill here. Now you have another gap to fill. Does it fill the gaps? It tries to. See what happens here. It just rode the line. What happened here? Gap up. So now we have this one. Trend line break, or right in the trend line. It's now underneath, still pretty weak. Yeah, that does not look great. Okay guys, done for today. Thank you for tuning in. We ended up positive with our strategies thanks to that SNDK 935 drive, but we took two small losers. In the real world, I would be done for the day, so let us do something like that. I don't have any other strategies I like to test. Sure, could I scalp the heck out of something, but I want to trade something that has a defined edge for me, then just so I can highly repeatable or very lucrative for me to be part of. So momentum fits that bill for me. I find that I can trade that very well. Scalping, preferably not. Preferably I just take kind of 1 to 3 trades a day, call it a day. Yeah, stuff like this is pretty good. $2 move. Right now Tesla's not in a prime time for momentum. A shout out to, I think, who was it that said it? Brando Trades. Tesla's a cult following stock, so hey, let the cults cult. Still very interested in these rocket stocks though. Still very interested. This would be a perfect level 61, and then we do a lunch off. Just want to wait for the reaction to see what happens there. Hopefully that synchronizes with Crocs when I exit the position, so I have money to go back on the long side with. We are weak. I don't want to take any long positions, especially if this is not reclaiming. We lost it. Cannot believe we lost it. Yeah, I can see for 2022 when we lost it decisively. Where did we lose it? Where did we begin to lose it? This one's okay, but once you start getting into this, yeah, starting March 2022, that was trouble. And then, of course, lower highs, and that was an instant. Yeah, and this is like get out of this thing. We chopped around for pretty much since March, so 9 months of 2022 was not looking good. Then we start making higher highs right here, and then higher lows, and then we wiped out everybody. Formed a little bit of a base. Still became very annoying for another 10 months, and then we ripped. So it was a very tricky environment. So this could be a 2-year thing. We just lost it, unless we have a sharp recovery like that. This is excellent candle on Wednesday. Just going to see in the last 5 years, 6 years, how we did. I'm gonna hold off. Yeah, right now we're in the shorting mindset, looking for things that fit that picture. Well, software is definitely on the list. Let's see what's on. Cart. What is that? Oh man, Pinterest is not looking good. FBIN. DraftKings. The Norwegian Cruise Line. I'm looking good. DKNG. Yeah, not great. Positive earnings, but still gap down. It had a stage 3 base and now a stage 4 downtrend. Nope, not on the list. Cart. Is there something else I can short? Oh, okay. Transportation. This was not interesting, so I'm gonna move it out. Cart looks like another short opportunity. It's in the transportation niche. So this looks like a higher low that's about to form. We have kind of 3 levels that I'm curious for its reaction to. Here. We can wait. It just had great earnings. Surprise beat. Interesting. Doesn't make any money? It does make a little bit of money. Well, this is a little bit better than some of the growth stocks that make no money. Okay, 61.8 and all of that, around 150 SMA, so we can wait for it to do some dilly-dallying. Alright guys, catch you guys in the next video. Enjoy your 3-day weekend. I'll catch up on Tuesday.